Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's get ready to practice spelling words for our spelling drill or our spelling activity. To do this part of our lesson, you're going to need either a pencil, a marker, a crayon, you need something to write with, and you also need something to write on. So you need a piece of paper or a whiteboard, anything that you have at home that you can do some writing with. Just like last time, first I'm going to say a word. Next, your job is to echo the word, and then last, you can write the word. Remember that you can pause the video between each word so that you can give yourself more time to spell these words. Here we go. Here's the first one. Listen first. The word is zip. Let's echo. Say zip. Good. Pause here so you can spell. The word is zip. Let's tap that word together so we know how to spell it totally right. Z-I-P. The word is zip. Nice job. Here is your next one. Listen first. The word is wish. Say it with me. Say wish. Awesome. Pause here so you can spell that word. All right, the word was wish. Let's tap to make sure we have every sound in that word. W-I-S-H. The word is wish. Nice job. Bonus challenge. If you know how to mark that word, go ahead and mark it up. How would we mark this? That's right. We would have to underline that digraph SH at the end. Remember, a digraph is 2 letters, making only one sound. Nice job. Here's your next one. Listen. The word is tan. Say it with me. Say tan. Good. Pause here so you can write the word tan. The word is tan. Let's tap to make sure we hear and write all the sounds. T-an. The word is tan. Nice job. Go ahead and mark this word up if you know how. The only thing we have to do to mark this word is to put a box around the glued sound A-N. Nice job, writers and readers. Let's keep going. Listen for your next word. The word is man. Say it with me. Say man. Good. Pause to write. The word is man. Let's tap so we hear all those sounds. An. The word is man. Awesome. Go ahead and mark it up if you know how. All we have to do to mark is put a box around that glued sound. Awesome. Let's see, we only have a few more. This is actually going to be our last word. Listen. The word is trip. Say it with me. Trip. Good. Pause here so you can write the word trip. The word was trip. Oh, when I tap and when I think about that word, I'm hearing 2 sounds in the beginning before the vowel. Let's tap the word. T-R-I-P. That word is trip. I hear a blend in that word. Can you find the blend in it? That's right. TR in the front is a blend. 2 sounds before that vowel I, saying tur. Nice work. If you marked it up, you would put 2 lines underneath the blend because we can hear each letter say its own sound. This is something new we're going to try next. We're going to try writing a sentence, just like we practice at school sometimes. First, I will say the sentence. Next, your job is to echo the sentence, and then we'll pause so you can write all the words in that sentence. If you need to play the video again to hear the sentence a few times, you can. Here we go. Listen. Your sentence is, can the dog get a stick? I'll say it one more time. Can the dog get a stick? Echo it with me if you can. Ready? Can the dog get a stick? Pause here so you can write that sentence. All right, readers and writers, our sentence was, can the dog get a stick? Do you know how many words are in that sentence? Let's count them. Can the dog get a stick? That's right, there are 6 words in this sentence. I'm going to show you the words, and let's see if your page matches mine. Can the dog get a stick? I'm wondering if you writers and readers remembered to put a question mark. That's what I see right here. Did you remember to put a question mark at the end of that sentence? You could tell by the way I was saying it that I was asking you a question. Can the dog get a stick? Bonus challenge. How could we mark the words or scoop the words in this sentence? Go ahead and do that on your page, and we'll see if your page matches mine. I didn't do scoops. I just chose to mark up my words. If you have scoops on your page, nice job. I'm noticing there's a box around our glued sound. My trick words the and a are circled. And I underlined my blend, ST, and I heard that digraph CK at the end of the word. So I underlined the whole digraph. Nice job, readers. We are done with our 5th job. I'll see you soon to practice trick words.